All right, we are doing 14D. Okay, and I could do this a few different ways. I could work on the left-hand side and the right-hand side separately and then see if they equal the same thing. The other thing I can do over the side is think about what the expansion of this right-hand side is. If you think about it, we get tan theta plus tan pi on 4 over 1 minus tan theta tan pi on 4. And we know tan pi on 4 equals 1. So if you think I'm looking for this, 1 minus tan theta times 1, so tan theta. So if you can head towards that, then we can immediately say, which equals tan of theta plus pi on 4. So let's start on the left-hand side, and we've secretly written this somewhere, or you know in your head what it is. And let's start at this left-hand side and think we're aiming for, just remember what you're aiming for. All right, oops, and that's a minus 1, easy to make a mistake here. All right, sine 2 theta, we know is 2 sine theta cos theta, so I'll start there. Minus cos 2 theta, I'm going to use cos squared theta minus sine squared theta, see how I go. Plus 1, and for 1, I'm going to use cos squared theta plus sine squared theta. That's a plus there. All right, so that's on the top. On the bottom again, 2 sine theta cos theta. I'm going to plus cos squared theta minus sine squared theta, and minus cos squared minus 1, so I'm going to minus cos squared theta plus sine squared theta. All right, so what do we have left on the top? So we have minus cos squared theta plus cos squared theta, so they'll disappear. Then minus minus here, so we've got positive sine squared and a positive, so positive 2 sine squareds. So you can see that we can factorize both terms by 2 sine theta. So I've got a cos theta here, and then 2, so plus, I've got a sine theta here. Okay, if I do the same on the bottom again, cos squared cancels with minus cos squared, and I'm ending up this time with a negative 2 sine squared. So I'm going to put 2 there, and they've both got sine theta in them again, but it's cos, and this time it's a minus sine theta. So these will cancel. Now, remember what we're heading towards, and perhaps if we think about what we want on top, we want a 1 plus tan theta. So what can I divide by, each term by, that will give me a 1 plus tan theta? Well, if I divide both terms by cos theta, think about that, you can see I'm going to get a 1 plus tan theta. So I need to divide these both by cos theta as well. So if you didn't write that purple, I probably wouldn't. I'd just say divided by cos theta on cos theta. There we go. So I'm dividing both the numerator and denominator terms by cos theta. Then I'm going to get 1 plus tan theta, and on the bottom I'm going to get 1 minus tan theta, which I know is the same as, so I would rewrite this. So that's the same as, this would be tan pi on 4 plus tan theta, because 1 is tan pi on 4, over tan pi on 4 minus tan theta. And then I could say, but that is, oh, no, sorry, that's not what I wanted. Okay, let me just get rid of that bit. All right, what do I want there? I want 1 minus tan theta times tan pi on 4, because we know that's 1, right? Okay, and that equals tan theta plus pi on 4, which equals the right hand side. The other thing you could do is get it to kind of here, and then work on your right hand side and get it to here, which is the same, and then say, look, they're the same. Great, that must mean it's true. Okay, either way.